In this AP Calculus example, we're being given some information about a function, p of t, that models the population of the world in billions of people. And then they're telling us that t is the number of years since January 1st, 2021. And they want us to then interpret what the meaning of this derivative is. So what is the meaning of p prime of 1 equals 0.077? What I always do whenever I'm trying to determine the meaning of a derivative is it's about the units. I keep in mind that normally, when I do a derivative, it's dy dx, right? Well, I come then and look at my language on the problem that I'm specifically looking at. The y values would be the p, so this would be dp, and then the x values are going to be the t, so dt. And so what I know then is it's now going to be the p units over the t units. And that will help me understand what it is I'm looking at. So the p was in billions of people. So this is going to be billions of people per, and then t is the number of years since 2021. So years going on down here. So if I look at this and I come down and I say, okay, this is a t value, which is telling me that it's the number of years since 2020. And then this is my rate. So this is 0.077 and it's in these units right here. So billions of people and then per year. And if you think about it, remember that everything's really a fraction. So it's 0.077 billions of people per 1 year. And so going back and trying to put that together, it's t years since 2021. So this is 1 year since 2021, or excuse me, since 2020. And so what we're looking at is going to be in year 2021. When we're talking derivatives, remember if it's a positive, that means that it's increasing. If it's negative, that tells us it's decreasing. So we'd be increasing at a rate, and then the rate is going to be this value here, 0.007 billions of people per year. So the first thing you know is it's got to be year 2021. So anytime they're not talking about 2021 in the problem, you know that that's not really what you want to be looking at. We then know that we should be looking at how this is increasing, and so we need a rate to be going on. B here is just talking about the population in general, so that's not a rate. C is talking about increasing, and then here we talk about increasing as well. The difference now becomes really between C and D is C is talking to us almost exactly what we want. D adds in this word average rate. We don't want an average. This isn't what we're finding out here. A derivative is not giving us the average. It's giving us what's happening in that moment in time. So in 2021, the population of the world is increasing. That fits with what we want at a rate of 0.077 billions of people per year, and that's the units that we knew we needed. So when you're trying to decipher the real world meaning of a word problem like this, it really is useful to go through the units. And I take care of the units by reminding myself it's the change in y over the change in x, put it into the language of my specific problem, so then it becomes those units on top divided by the units of the bottom. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please click that like button and subscribe. And also share it with your friends and anyone else you know who might be crying about an upcoming AP Calc test. You can find more videos from me, more sample AP Calc questions, and my complete AP Calc study guide over at my website, apcalcprep.com. Have a great one.